So welcome to WikiEXPO. We're honored to have you today. I will be asking you some questions, but first of all, I would love to know who you are and what company you represent.
Yeah, my name is Nikolaos Akkizidis, and I came in my career from more than 3 decades in the whole spectrum of financial sector, from portfolio management, advising, dealing rooms, derivatives, compliance. But now I'm focused on how artificial intelligence, tokenization, blockchain, fintech is
Awesome.
shaping the architecture of modern finance.
Awesome. Yeah.
There's an author, because I'm an author and contributor in FX Street as well for many years. I'm focusing on how great challenges create new realities and new normalities for investors and organizations.
100%. So, as an expert in both finance and AI, how do you see artificial intelligence reshaping financial markets? Like, what are the biggest challenges right now in integrating AI into traditional financial systems?
Yeah, the biggest challenge for now, the question now probably for most of the people are what the AI can do. I think we need to change the question on how responsible AI is about what it does.
100%, yes.
Because the biggest issue is responsibility. This is that means that the, the point is my point is that artificial intelligence in the future and now, even now, AI and modern AI and AGI in the future will become more and more independent, more autonomous. And on the other hand, at the same time, humanity, human beings in business, in financial, in healthcare, in defense, in any field, that they will become at the same time more dependent
On
on
AI.
its independence.
Yeah.
So in one sense, one hand is going to be many, more and more independence, and we're going to be more dependence on their independence.
Yes.
And that is, can we think about this for just for a minute? In the future, and this is not by accident. This is because we create, this, we develop, we design artificial intelligence in a way that now AI understands, AI finds reasons, it adapts itself, corrects itself, and it can solve, it can make decisions, autonomous decisions, especially when it faces complex problems, complex issues, more efficient than and more accurate than human beings. That
100%.
means that human beings we're gonna be more dependent on AI's efficiency and accuracy.
That's
That,
so true.
that brings us very critical questions. For example, what are the ethics of decisions that the AI makes? Or what is the purpose of AI? The purpose is what? Profitability, but human growth. What's or domination of my business or my country against
100%.
what? Most important. The third question is who is responsible for its decisions, for its actions? Who? Governance, the designers, the compliance. Who is responsible?
You can
Because
never say,
the
yeah.
point is
You
that
can never
if
tell.
no one is responsible, then chaos is inevitable.
100%.
So we need to, what I suggest is to, to, to create, to introduce a roadmap that a structure, an ethical structure, an architecture to follow a new business architecture, because the point is that in businesses we're gonna integrate AI, but we need to structure, we need to follow a roadmap. And I introduce a roadmap by following some steps, some different phases. For example, in the first step, you need to find out what is the purpose. Why we use intelligence, artificial intelligence, and to find out to ensure data integrity or to establish ethical committees.
I think it's very hard to put ethics when it comes to AI because I think it's a tool that's accessible now to everybody and anyone can do anything with it. It's actually, I'm not sure, but what's your insight regarding this? But it's actually a little bit dangerous. But at the same time, it's very, like, it's giving a lot of capabilities to the world. Like, it increases the capacity of the world, I can say. I mean, especially in the financial market, it's allowing a lot of new innovations and technologies to nurture and things to be even possible that were not possible before. So I think it's a
Yes.
double-edged sword.
The problem is that responsibility means that to be responsible AI must have something that doesn't have now, and that is conscience.
Yes.
Conscience means that you can distinguish good between good and bad, and that means that you are responsible for the consequences of the decisions that that you make. And that means you have to to find out that to realize that your actions and your decisions are the consequences of your actions and your decisions are greater than your than yourself, that greater than it's that are biggest values. So you have to concentrate on the values of each sector. What are the values in financial sector, in healthcare sector, and to admit that these values are greater than you.
100%. I totally agree. So, from your perspective, what are the positive impact has WikiEXPO exhibition that had in promoting this transaction security and fostering a more sustainable and well-ordered industry ecosystem?
Because now we are in a very, very challenging times. And now this kind of conference like WikiExpo to exchange ideas and to inform people about the opportunities and risk is very important.
100%.
That's the biggest issue. Because we're in a time that in transition time. That's why it's so important to understand and to exchange ideas. So yeah.
It will for sure. How do you think WikiExpo can foster this innovation of the intersection of finance and AI? Like, what do you hope attendees will take away as a keynote after WikiExpo?
WikiExpo needs to concentrate on, as I said before, on responsibility, to make us more responsible,
Yes, yes, like the ethical.
ethical,
Yes,
how to values. And we need to establish a common ground of values. Common ground of values means that because all the time they say that what are the values? There are different values between, for example, here in Emirates or in Asia or America or Europe. I think there is one recipe that is that if I take care about you and you
yes,
take care about me, that's the ethics, that's the
true,
value.
true, yes.
That's all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nicholas. It's been
Thank
an
you.
honor to have you here. Welcome to WikiExpo, and we really hope to see you also in the coming years. And we hope that you will make the most out of this event.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much
I
for
may
your
see
time.
you in
It's an
Singapore or in
honor to meet
Hong
you.
Kong.
For sure, it's an honor to meet you. We'll see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much for your time.
Thank you.